This is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23, my favorite verse ever. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveeeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So you can see we are making this simple beef shawarma at home. So you know what? Let's get started. So over here I have my minced beef, so I'm gonna season or marinate it. You can also check out how I made the chicken shawarma. Very simple to make, yet tastes amazingly great. So I added some cornstarch to it, and then we are gonna mix this. So once it's ready, we allow it to rest for about 30 minutes, and then here we are. We're gonna cook this till it is ready, okay? And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So now that our beef is ready, we allow it to cool down a bit before we do the assembling. So I am getting my salad ready. So I have my lettuce, some onion, and then I will sprinkle a little salt and black pepper on it. That's all. You can choose to use any vegetable of your choice, okay? So our salad is ready, and my shawarma sauce is also ready. So we are gonna start with the assembling. So I have my tortilla wrap or Lebanese bread. Yes, so we just spread it and then spread the sauce on it, add our veggies, our beef, our toppings, and we are done. Family, I hope you enjoy this beef shawarma recipe. So we top it up with our shawarma sauce. You can add any toppings of your choice. I added some ketchup, which is optional. Then we are gonna roll this. Be gentle about the rolling, okay? So after rolling, you can choose to toast it a bit, or you can just put it in your foil and you are good to go. Just look at that. Isn't it so simple to make, yet taste amazingly great, family? So you can make your own chicken shawarma, of which I'll share the link up there. Beef shawarma, veggies, hemp, sausages, any protein of your choice, okay? So if you like this video, why don't you give your girl some thumbs up, like and comment, so we grow together, okay? I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you so much, guys. Come, let's enjoy some snack. Thank you, and see ya in our next video. Bye bye.